Have you ever wondered how important accuracy and inclusivity are in AI-generated content? Let's take a journey into a recent controversy that has sparked a global debate on this very topic. The protagonist of our story is none other than Google's Gemini image generation model. As cutting-edge as it is, it's not immune to criticism. The model has been under scrutiny for producing images that are historically inaccurate and racially skewed. Imagine a world where AI generates diverse scenarios, but upon closer examination, they are not only improbable, but also unrepresentative of the diverse world we live in. This is the world that Gemini seemed to be creating, and social media users were quick to point this out. From the ancient pyramids being depicted in the heart of London to African wildlife roaming through Manhattan's concrete jungle, Gemini's output was as diverse as it was improbable. But the real issue, the one that sparked the controversy, was the racially skewed images. People of different ethnic backgrounds were depicted in scenarios that didn't align with their historical or cultural context. This controversy has drawn attention to the potential biases inherent in AI systems. So how did Google respond to this controversy, you may ask? Well, they didn't shy away from it. They acknowledged the issue head-on. In a bold move, Google pledged to rectify the problem. They made a decision to hit the pause button on Gemini's image generation of people, albeit temporarily. Google's response to the controversy was not just about fixing a fault in a machine. It was a statement that said, "We hear you and we are committed to making things right." This move was not without its discussions and debates. It opened up a whole new conversation about accuracy and inclusivity in AI-generated content. On one side of the coin, there's the argument for accuracy. AI systems should generate content that reflects reality as closely as possible. But then, on the flip side, there's the push for inclusivity. The AI system should also cater to the diversity of our world and not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or biases. This controversy and Google's response to it has shed light on a crucial aspect of AI development. It's not just about creating systems that can mimic human intelligence, it's about creating systems that are fair, unbiased, and respectful of diversity. And while it's important to note that Google's move is a step in the right direction, it's equally important to remember that it's just that, a step. There's still a long road ahead when it comes to tackling bias in AI systems. Google's response to the controversy underscores the importance of transparency and accountability in AI development. And as we move forward, these will be the guiding principles that will shape the future of AI. But what can be done to promote diversity and mitigate bias in commercial AI systems? This question has been at the forefront of discussions in the AI community, and the answer might lie in open-source AI models. Experts in the field are rallying behind this idea, emphasizing the importance of developing these models. So why is open source so crucial? Well, think of it as a community garden of code. Open source models are accessible to everyone, allowing a diverse range of programmers to contribute, tweak, and improve upon the existing frameworks. This means that the AI isn't being built by just one team with a singular perspective, but by a global community with a myriad of experiences. This diversity can help to mitigate bias, as the input is not limited to a select few, but rather an extensive, varied group. Moreover, open-source models promote transparency, a crucial factor in the ethical development and deployment of AI systems. These models allow anyone to inspect the code, understand how decisions are being made, and perhaps most importantly, spot any potential bias or issues. But it's not just about spotting problems, it's about fixing them too. With open source, anyone can propose changes to the model. This means that if a bias is discovered, it can be corrected swiftly by the community, not just by the original developers. In the light of controversies, like the one surrounding Google's Gemini image generation model, the value of open-source AI models becomes even more evident. By fostering diversity, promoting transparency, and enabling swift corrections, open-source AI models could be a key solution to the problem of bias in AI. But is developing open-source AI models enough to ensure accuracy and inclusivity in AI-generated content? The answer is no. Open-source models are a step in the right direction, but they are not a panacea. The ethical and practical implications of AI are vast and complex. encompassing issues of bias, privacy, accountability, and more. To navigate these intricacies, a transparent and inclusive AI development framework is necessary. Transparency means that the algorithms and their decision-making processes are available for scrutiny. It means that developers, users, and regulators alike can understand how an AI system works and why it makes the decisions it does. Inclusivity, on the other hand, ensures that the voices and perspectives of all stakeholders are taken into account during the development process. It means that the AI system is not just a product of one group's perspective, but a collective effort reflecting the diversity of its users. In the end, the controversy surrounding Google's Gemini model underscores the importance of accuracy and inclusivity in AI. It shows us that we must continue to strive for transparency and inclusivity in AI development.